Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your own watermark in video by using Inshot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Inshot app here and now tap on video. Here tap on new. Now select the original video of yours and then add text on it. Write the text that you want to use as your watermark and put it where you want to add. Now I'm going to extend it like the main video and here export the video. After exporting the video, tap on create new and here select the original video and then add PIP on this video. You have to add the video that you have exported right now. And here extend this video like the original one and now add blend on it. I'm going to add multiply here and here tap on the check mark. Now you have to add a white background here. Now extend it like this and here you have to also add blend. This time I'm going to add overlay on this. Now tap on the check mark and here watch the video. You guys can find out your watermark on this video. So this is how you guys can add your own watermark in video by using Inshot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.